Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something. I always have something. I try to at least. This is from Indonesia. Me instant shrimp. And yeah, it's time to bust it up. So let's do this. So I got these up at Foodie World up in Richmond, British Columbia. Oh, a month or so ago, back when you could go up to Canada and just go there. You know, I guess it's fine. I'm gonna look at one more of these just to check something. Because I don't know about the sachets in these. I'm feeling a little iffy on them. I've had problems with these sachets before. But then again, it's only like this packaging style. Yeah, I'm going to go with that's the way it's supposed to look. I'll use that one. Alright, so we're going to add in the stuffings. So, in the last 24 hours, I've been absolutely inundated, happily so, with comments and new subs from people in Russia. And it's been really, really cool. It's like I've gotten 30,000 new subscribers in 20. Or no, not 30,000. That would be epic. If you wanna try to make that happen, folks, that I'm okay with. But no, 3,000, which is pretty cool. And not only that, they're nice Russian folks. So, digging that. But I got oil all over my fingers. Oh, I better wash my hands real quick. We are in the middle of a viral epidemic, after all. Gotta have clean hands. Yes. All right. So we're going to put this on the boil, back again, and we're going to do 3 minutes starting now. So what is new? Yeah, just like all these people showing up and commenting. They're saying something like, somebody was saying that my videos seem like really 2000-y. I don't know. And that they like my voice. That's cool. I can use a voice like you've never heard before, but then you wouldn't have heard of it before. Anyways, it's the first freaking day of spring, and yeah, when my wife gets home, I'm throwing my daughter in the stroller, and we're going out of doors, I think. Because I've got a feeling tomorrow, it's gonna be the first that they're gonna basically lock everything down. I've absolutely had no luck with weather and the ability to go and exercise and have fun. It's really sucked. But, I don't know. We'll see what goes on, what happens. I still need to know, I'll probably know from the last video I did, which came out actual today. But, am I saying this right? Здравствуйте. Is that how you say it in Russian? I don't know. My sister taught me to say that. She was like, do you know how to say hello in Russian? It's здравствуйте. 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 I remember way back when I had ICQ, and my ICQ number was 6152480. I remember that. There was this dude I used to talk to every once in a while, and he was in Russia, and he taught me this one word. Was it Polunochnik? Polunochnik? It was like night stalker. But that's what he did. He worked at a grocery store and he stocked the shelves at night. But he referred to it as he was a night stalker. I'm thinking like, dude, that's creepy. Uh-oh, I coughed. Is it coronavirus? Or is it just a tickle in my throat? I don't know. But there's no cure, ladies and gentlemen, other than time. Time and time again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. So here is our... Smelled like a shrimp noodle. Let's see. I'm getting it fogged up. No, not too bad. Alright. Yeah, I just did a little video saying hi to the Russians. I don't know what playlist to put it in, though. Maybe just the Ramen Raider. Like that. That's your very standard instant noodle. The baseline. Really pretty much like what you find in this. Here's the barf. That's alright. I mean, it's an econo noodle. It's got just the faintest hint of spiciness, which I think is great. That's all you gotta do. Just add a little something extra. Make it a little bit nicer for the folks at home. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's right. What am I putting in here? Oh yeah. I got some carved squid. Squidoo! Shrimp. I mean, it's a shrimp noodle. I ought to add shrimp to it, right? The Naruto that's in there is for another review. Got some mung bean sprouts. Hi Miles, how you doing? Miles and Miriam are here in the background, playing on their tablets. I've decided to abandon the nap, which my daughter is very happy about. My son, he kind of grew out of the nap a while back, but she has graduated to the what's the point trying to give you a nap because all you're going to do is scream and yell and carry on because you don't want a nap stage. So, although I still think she could really use a nap. When it gets later in the day, she just gets downright ornery. She doesn't want anything to do with logic or reason or happiness. She just wants to yell and scream and be combative. Right, Miles? I mean, she just like out of nowhere. My sweet little daughter Miriam. What does she do? She just hauls off and smacks Miles right in the face this morning. I'm like, And I looked at him. I'm like, "Are you okay with that?" He's like, "No." So I pick her up and I put her in timeout. And she didn't like that, but hey. That wasn't kind, Mimi. Some, what do you call it? Spicy Earl. I gotta reload this. I'm gonna add some, let me put the egg in there first. Yep, there's gonna be an egg. And I want this egg to come out just right. Da-da-da-da. Yeah. First day of spring. I'm like so ready. My wife got me new headlights for the stroller for my birthday. It's a pair of 1,000 lumen floods, and they're rechargeable and they're freaking bright. And then I've got this new Bluetooth speaker over here, and it's really, really loud. My daughter loves that. Can you even see what I'm doing here? Yeah, you kind of can. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Come on, egg. Alright, what else are we going to throw in here? I got some spring onion. I need to not use all that spring onion. What am I thinking? Spring onion. Now, this stuff's from Indonesia, so I'm not going to use anything like, what do you call it? Well, it's kind of like it. I'm not going to use shichimi or anything like that. I'm going to use boncabe. Because boncabe is of Indonesia. Uh-oh. Right like that. There we have it, folks. Now let's rotato it up and rock and rock and rock and yeah, it's time to rock here, ladies and gentlemen. Right like that. Alright. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Thank you for watching. Have a good one and bye.